In this video, we are creating a new version of our application installer after adding the overlay alpha value to our prototype. We created the 0.5 version of our application by using the MeVisLab project wizard in a previous video. We created a standalone installer and installed the application on a desktop system. The MeVisLab tool runner created a directory containing a batch, our installable executable, a shell script and a file containing third-party information. In addition to that, an ML install file has been created providing all information we entered into the project wizard. Open the ML install file in any editor. We are using Mate. In order to generate a new version with your previously made changes, you just have to update the version parameter of the file and save it. Start MeVisLab tool runner and open your ML install file. Select your file and click Run on selection. The tool runner now creates a new standalone application installer using the same settings as defined in the project wizard but with updated version number. After your installer has been created, just execute the exe file again and your application is updated. You can see the updated version in installer. The previously added field to define transparency of the overlay is available in your application. Standalone installers can also be created by using the command line interface. All information necessary for your application can be edited in your ML install file. For further information, please have a look at www.mevislab.de.